Hi kids! Today we're going to draw a beanie hat. Now, let's draw it together. Let's color it.
Yeah!
Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Pink color. Purple color. Orange color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to watch more.